everyone, I'm Sophia and I'm about to be 8 this month, and today we're gonna be making banana pudding. To make banana pudding, we're gonna need a mixing bowl and a whisk and a measuring cup, 1 cup. We're gonna need a glass dish. So for the ingredients, we will need 2 boxes of vanilla pudding mix, 2 bananas, 1 box of Nilla wafers, and 4 cups of milk. So I'm gonna put some Nilla wafers for the crust. And then we're gonna have to set them like the crust. Don't forget to make the walls for the pudding. We have 2 cats, and this is our cat called Sally. Hi, baby. And she is I think like a saved cat, and we adopted her. Next, we're gonna need 2 packages of vanilla pudding, and we're gonna put it in the bowl. The next thing we're gonna do is 4 cups of milk. This is my favorite part. We're gonna be mixing the pudding 2 minutes. Okay, Google, set a timer for 2 minutes.
Okay, 2 minutes. Starting now. Side note, if you need an alarm in this room in the morning, I can do that too. Just say, set an alarm for 7 a.m.
No, thank you, Google. Okay, Google, stop.
Bloopers.
So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pour the pudding into the bowl. A thing I forgot that you're gonna have to need is a spatula to scrape the pudding. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put the pudding into the refrigerator for 5 minutes. My dad forgot just one thing, that you will need a chopping block and a safe knife. We're gonna get started to peel the banana. Perfect timing. The last step is gonna be, we're gonna put the banana on the pudding. And now it's ready to eat.